So let's take a look next at how to generate script sides in Yamdu. First we enter the breakdowns and shots section, and then on the right hand side you can see here create sides. So now we can see that we have the option to download the script or create script sides, and we have a couple of different ways to filter the scenes we have. We can download the full script, we can filter by character, by shooting day, or by scene. So let's say one of the actors wants his or her script sides for the scenes that they are in. All we have to do is go to filter by characters, and now we choose a character to create script sides for. So let's say I want to see the script sides for Farah. I just click her and then click next. So now I have the option to give this a title. I can choose script or whatever. I can also download with a custom watermark if I wish to, and I can add text here, but I think it's okay. So script is fine, and let's click on download. So now, as you can see, Yamdu has automatically created the script sides for the character of Farah. As always, this important information here has been automatically generated, and if we scroll down we can see that this script just contains the scenes that Farah is in. So that was how to create script sides in Yamdu. I hope it's been a useful tutorial.